In this video, let's take a look at all the new Siri voice customization settings in iOS 27. On my hand, I have an iPhone 17 Pro running the latest iOS 27 Developer Beta 2. Before getting started, make sure Siri is enabled on your device. So, let's begin. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap Siri. Here, I have the option to turn on Siri. I'm tapping on it, and now I see two options. I'll choose Try the new Siri Beta. Once it's enabled, the screen looks like this. Now, let's check out the voice settings. From here, you can choose different Siri voice variations, including American, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, and South African. Each variation offers multiple male and female voice options that you can select from below. But if you want to customize Siri even further, go back and turn on the new Expressive Voice Preview option. As soon as I enable it, a brand new Siri voice customization screen appears. This is where users will eventually be able to adjust pace and expressivity to personalize how Siri sounds. However, at the moment, these controls are unavailable and marked as coming soon. I do have a clip from Apple's event showing how these features are expected to work in a future update. So let's take a look.
Hi, let's find the right voice for you. I'll practice some things I like to say while you listen. Let me try this one out. You have one new message. Here's another one. Your timer is set for 1 minute. Now for some directions. At the next stop sign, turn right.
Once you've finished making your selections, tap the blue checkmark to save your changes. That's it. I hope you found these new Siri voice settings helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next iOS 27 video.